Hey there. So, Amazon has recently announced another version of it having capability of using AI image generation. In this specific case, they're considering using AI generation to help with the sponsored display ad campaigns. So, sponsored display ad campaigns is one of the types of ad campaigns which basically uses creatives or images to help advertise their products both within Amazon's platform and also outside of it as well. So, coming to the announcement of what it came on LinkedIn, they posted that they're going to roll out the beta testing of AI generation for the sponsored display campaigns with the idea that the seller or the advertiser just has to upload the product and it will take the product and put it in different settings using AI with the idea that it will help reduce the time to create campaigns, opportunity to test out new creatives on a faster way, and also unlocking other opportunities which they did not have. I have a few thoughts on this, but let's just walk through the content that they've uploaded. So in the PDF, which I've downloaded separately, they say that they can create custom images more quickly. You can connect with shoppers faster, and they have some data which shows that people who have used sponsored display ads have seen greater customer engagement in terms of 40% of ads with only images, higher conversion rate, new to brand sales, so on and so forth. Typically, sponsored display ads have had mixed reviews in terms of the success rate for the brands. For certain brands, for certain products, sponsored display ads, in my opinion, works much better than others. One of the issues with sponsored display ads is that it is a programmatic approach to advertising as opposed to the traditional way of keyword targeting or ASIN targeting as they stand. So they have rolled it out, which I intend to test it out in sponsored brand product collection. So here they've clearly shown that you get an opportunity to update or upload a product, and they will set it in different backgrounds, as it were kind of like a Zoom background. They're inserting it into these campaigns, and then we can choose of which of these AI generated images we can use for the creative assets to be used. I have a few thoughts on this. One, I think given Amazon's resources and the tremendous potential that it has, I think Amazon should work towards building a more robust system as opposed to just a very simple background replacement tool, which is very easily available free of cost and very easily. There are hundreds of thousands of softwares that do that online. And Amazon, it doesn't seem like they're providing anything more than just a background replacement software that sellers can use, given the resources, given the capabilities and the data that it has. Plus, it has a tremendous AWS system that it has built, and the tech infrastructure that it has developed over the years. Perhaps they could have built a more robust platform where instead of just having background replacement process happening, they could have also put lifestyle images or people using the product just by uploading the product itself, or creating images that are more well thought out and more contextual. So if you upload a food related product, then the image can be like a someone eating the food. Or if it's a sports related product, maybe the background can be something to do with sports, as opposed to just a very generic cookie cutter background that they are seem to be working towards right now. I think that would be the holy grail of product images if somebody is able to crack that. I know there are a few offerings, a few softwares, a few online apps that do help in product image or have getting more sophisticated in terms of the images that are created. So the idea here is that it's not just about creating product image, it's about using all the information that you have to create images that better connect with your target audience. If your target audience is rich elderly women, the images need to show or highlight those features of the product which make it connect to those target audience. If it is a younger audience, the color palette, the look and feel, and everything about the image needs to reflect that as well. I think if somebody is able to crack that, that would be amazing. We at Xena have been testing out a few of these processes where we are trying to fine tune a system where somebody can upload a product and all these images which are built not just on background replacement, but built on a logic that goes far beyond simple image replacement that we have so far. I'm sure there are a lot of other people doing it, and I hope that one or more of us will be able to crack this code and build a system where eventually I envision a place where anyone, even especially the small business owners, they can just upload the product or take a picture of the product on their phone and upload it, and automatically you'll get a set of 8 to 10 different images, different lifestyle photos, different infographics, and different images that they can quickly use to list their products or optimize their products on Amazon. It can also be pretty interesting where we are able to take the data or insights from the ad campaign reports or past sales reports and use that to further improve the images that are used on Amazon. As everyone knows, product images are one of the crucial aspects of product listings that determine the success or failure of brands on Amazon. And if you think of brands or sellers who sell hundreds of thousands of SKUs, I think a software like this, an offering like this, can be very powerful for them to not having to spend tens of hundreds of thousands of dollars to optimize their product images every quarter or every month or every year. Instead, use on a technology like this to help that. And with the advancements in all the image generation tools, AI image generation tools out there, I think it's just a matter of time before somebody comes up with this, if not already. I'm quite excited with the possibility where this is an example of a situation where AI can actually help democratize access to high quality image creation, especially for small businesses and for businesses or sellers with large number of SKUs, and they find it very difficult to manage. I think that I'm pretty excited by this. I'm glad that Amazon has recognized the need for it. I just hope that they continue working towards it and innovate more towards utilizing all this new capability that the world has to help small businesses grow faster on platforms like Amazon.